If you have a cat that's always sneezing or congested, it might not be their allergies, but it could be their amino acids or out of balance. So many of these companies don't add lysine to their food, and it's an essential amino acid for cats that they can only get from their diet. And lysine actually supports protein production, tissue repair, and collagen formation. So I grabbed some of these immune support treats from Just Try It because they have no artificial flavors or preservatives, and these have no grain filler in them. My cats love these because it's a chicken and protein peanut butter mix. I've used a lot of Just Try It stuff in the past, but this is a brand new launch for them, so they should still have it on that early bird sale. So if you want to cover all the bases on your cat's diet, I'll put a link right here so you can check it out.